Cool.
Ready, Sean?
Yes, sir. Just gotta wait for Noah, and then we're gonna do some speedball.
Speedball.
Yep. Are you guys ready? Set. Go. Hit. Woo!
You're going to the middle too?
Yeah, maybe I'll run. I'll provide backup cover.
Yep, that's fine.
All right, everybody ready?
Yep.
Are you ready? Ready, set, go! Oh, hit! Ready, set, go! Hit! Here, or you can hide on the other side, whatever. Yeah, speedball something else, huh?
I suppose if your foot was on the line there, you don't have to be touching the wall, or you probably to. I'll take the essence.
I don't even know where to go. Yeah, Billy, if you can go deep to that point, I kind of don't have anywhere to go, so I'm gonna
tuck right there.
Okay.
Directly in front of you.
Wait, you're gonna go that way? Are you gonna go to the cross?
I'm going here.
Okay.
The whole session is on switch, but
Here.
Nah, I'm just gonna blast up to the front there.
All right.
Ready? Set, go! Hit! Ready, set, go!